Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this week's weekly beer tasting. I am your host, Andy, here with a awesome beer, actually coming from one of the most beautiful regions in all of Ontario, Niagara on the Lake, to be exact. Very posh indeed. The craft brewery is Silversmith Brewing. Awesome location. If you're gonna repurpose a 19th century church, might as well do it by making a craft brewery. Am I right? Yes, I am. We actually visited them. Wonderful location. Nothing but great things to say about their beer and the array of selection they have. Here I am sitting beside the king of craft beers, the IPA. So this is the Mind's IPA from Silversmith. It's American style, so you know we're coming at you with lots of hops. I can really even smell the pine, so much delightful pine. I'm very excited. So I'm gonna grab it very delicately because it's quite full. Yes, it's like I'm smelling Christmas in a glass. Yeah, divine. Nothing short of divine. Divinity. It's really nice. Get those kind of like passion fruit, sort of fruity. I'm really getting a lot of passion fruit out of it. Those sort of fruity flavors that are really nice, particularly in these styles of IPAs. Obviously, you can't go wrong with an American style IPA if that is your thing. If you're really into these hoppy, heavier, I mean, this is a heavy beer. This is 6.7 ABV, so if you like some of those more like fruity notes, you're gonna get a lot packed in with this Mind's IPA. That's it for this week. Make sure to stay tuned for next week's weekly beer tasting, where we will showcase another one of Ontario's fine craft beers. Thank you so much for watching this week, and remember, craft beer is here.